To redeem a Royal Caribbean gift card, start by visiting the Royal Caribbean website or by calling their customer service number. You will need to have your gift card number and the amount on the card available. If you are booking a cruise online, select your cruise and proceed to the payment section. Here you can enter your gift card number and the amount you want to apply to your booking. If you are booking over the phone, let the representative know that you would like to use a gift card as payment or partial payment for your cruise. They will guide you through the process and apply the gift card amount to your booking. Keep in mind that Royal Caribbean gift cards can be used to pay for cruise fares, including deposits, as well as onboard expenses such as drinks, shore excursions, and spa treatments. Gift cards cannot be used to purchase future cruise credits or other gift cards. It is also important to note that Royal Caribbean gift cards do not expire and can be used on multiple cruises until the balance is depleted. If you have any remaining balance after your cruise, it will remain on the card for use on a future cruise. To check your gift card balance, you can visit the Royal Caribbean website or call their customer service number. They will be able to provide you with your current balance and help with any other questions you may have about using your gift card. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Royal Caribbean gift card and enjoy your cruise. Remember to always keep your gift card number and balance handy, and do not hesitate to reach out to Royal Caribbean customer service if you have any questions or need assistance with using your gift card.